Sorry I haven't checked in, and it is like 4 o'clock today. I didn't even do an intro this morning, but I've been doing my Cricut stuff all day long. I'm currently cooking potatoes to have with our pork chops. I put them in the crock pot. They're just pork chops that I get from Aldi's. I put a packet of ranch seasoning and then either a can of cream of mushroom or a can of cream of chicken, and I let it cook all day. And I just serve it with mashed potatoes and stuff. But that's what we're doing right now. I highly suggest the pork chops. And then we're off to basketball practice here in a little bit, so I'll check in with you guys a little bit. But just hanging out today, getting stuff done that I've been putting off. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Other way. Okay guys, it is 5:24 and we are off to
basketball
practice. Yay! So, sorry I haven't vlogged much today, but I really haven't done much today at all, so yeah. I've just been doing my Cricut and stuff like that, but we will see you guys when we get home. Hey guys, so back from basketball practice. Nothing exciting happened. Found out that there was drama with the coaches. Imagine that. Anyway, so I am going to go ahead and end this. Sorry it wasn't very interesting. I literally hung on made shirts all day, so.
Weeks until Christmas.
Yep. So tell everybody bye.
Bye.
And
There's
Jake,
3 weeks until Christmas.
and Jake is in the shower, so we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Bye.